Hi, hello friends, welcome everyone to Precision Price Action Pro Trader series. In this interesting video, we are going to talk about a very important topic. How much money you want to expect as a trader? What is the money that you want to make in trading? This is one very simple question which I address to most of my visitors, friends, fraternities and ecosystem partners. Let's deep dive on this story. What's the kind of return you want to expect? If anybody asks me, Ashok, what is the kind of return you expect? I tell them, see, I want to grow at a rate of 25% every year because my aspiration is to grow my money 10x in 10 years, which is ideally 100x in 20 years. It is 250 times in 25 years from now. I am like little above 40. 20 years to retire, I want to do 100x on my capital. This is the kind of vision I have. Now, what is your vision? This is my experience of all the traders who have met me. I have at least met thousands of traders so far in my career spanning 10 years. I have been trained more than 1000, 2000 participants. What I found is all these people who come with small money come with big expectations, and people who come with big money come with small expectations. It's all in their mindset and the way they think. Today in my office early morning I met one investor from Dubai who is willing to invest about 3 to 4 crores INR. Then I said, park a portion of it into my models, we will showcase what we are capable of doing, and if we do well, probably you can invest some money in Dubai in our global venture. He said, Ashok, I can start at a small ticket size of $1 million. I said, wow, really? I wanted $1 million to kick off our venture. He said, I can give you 1 million. And during the conversation, he asked, what is my dream? I said, I want to manage $100 million in the global market, trading forex and cryptos. And people like you, I just need 100 people. He said, Ashok, I said, 1 million is my minimum number. I never told you what is my maximum number. I said, wow. My minimum ticket size is 25 lakhs. Many friends fight with me for one simple reason. I don't want to take any customers who bring 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakhs on the table, because we are making a costly product. We are trading derivatives. I don't want to trade derivatives using 1 lakh, 2 lakh. If you have 2 lakhs, you should buy Alto. You cannot come and buy a big car. You can't buy a Toyota Innova. No, it's a crime, and I am against it. I am against any trader who trades F&O using 1 lakh rupees. It's a brutal crime, and I promise you none of you will make a fortune because your position sizing is screwed. And people ask me how much is good money. I said 25% is a huge money for me because I will bring big money into the market. Doubling money 4 years is more than enough for me because there is no business in the planet which can consistently double your money year on year, consistently on 25% and double your money every 4 years. No way. Out of 100 companies, only 1 or 2 will do, and you don't even know which that company is. Make sense? Suppose if you are earning 24%, ideally 24, if you make it 26, this becomes 10, 100, 1000. Over a period of 10, 20, 30 years. If you earn 30%, it will be 20, 250, 2000 times. If you earn 36% per annum, this is the kind of money you will make. And for people want doubling money. If you double money every year, imagine this slide will go into the stars. Expectation defines the maturity of a trader. So many people walks into my office. When I talk to them, in the first 10 minutes I can judge if you are a trader or not. That is my skill, because I have spoken to hundreds of traders. I can tell you whether this fellow is real trader or false trader. Second, I will conclude in 5 minutes whether this guy deserves to be my customer or not. I still remember one day one person walks into my office and says, sir, I will give you 5 crores, give me 5% a month. And if you do well, I will give you 50 crores. I told him, sir, do one thing, I will give you 10 crores. I will get you 10 crores, give me 3% a month and ensure my capital. Give me some mortgage so that money is taken care. For 10 crores, give me 15 crores property as mortgage, I will give you 10 crores. You give me 3%, you only keep the remaining 2%. He was offended. He said, Ashok, not 5, I can bring up to 50. Sir, you manage 10 CR, sir, I will give you 100 crores also, if you guarantee me. Even I am serious about this game. He was offended, I don't care. Because nobody should come and set an expectation of I want 5% a month, 3% a month. No, sorry, I don't know. I can do 20% in a single month, I can do 10% loss also in a single month, God knows. And this is in the world of speculation. And the most reasonable expectation anybody can have is only in between these two. And remember, recently there was an article by the CEO of Zerodha. He told out of 100% investor, only 1% make money. Only 1% makes above the FD rates over a period of 3 to 5 years. But in that 1%, how many of them make this much? God knows. Which means 99.5% is in this gang here. Okay? Only 0.3 or 0.4% will be, hardly 0.05 kind of people will be here. And this can be mostly much lesser percentage. Why? Because being in this zone itself is the biggest possible challenge. I am very happy and proud to say that I fall into this category. Expectations. The biggest problem is people don't understand the power of compound interest, which is the 8th wonder of the world, as told by Albert Einstein. Compounding. The problem with most traders are thinking very small. You are having 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh in account, that is wrong. If you are having 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh in your account, stop thinking about profits. Think big. Think about designing a process, a proper structure which can give you small profit. Don't dream 50%, 100%, nobody will make it. Nobody, literally. Only Twitter and Telegram traders will give you such kind of returns. If you want to go really validate, go and find their IT papers. All are dumb. Don't ever believe these Twitter followers, mainly with all these 50, 100k followers, right? Don't believe them. I can bring that kind of following by spending money also. All you should know is realistic terms. Statistically, is it viable? This is viable. This is viable and I'll be here. I'll be sure shot here because I have a process in place. And this is my dream. This is my dream, friends. People ask me, what's your dream in financial market? This is my dream. I want to achieve every year minimum 25% and grow my money to 250 times in the next 25 years. $25, $250, $25. This is my single point agenda. I want to grow my money 25% every year for the next 25 years to achieve 250 times. This is my single point agenda. If I can do this, I am a superstar and I am not even 1 in 100, 1 in 1000 or maybe 1 in 10,000 also. Achieving this itself is also that challenge with this kind of return. If people dream more than this, I pity you. With this, we come to the end of the session on expectations in terms of stock market. I hope every one of you understand the confessions of this professional trader. Alright, thank you very much. Here is a quick announcement. Traders Conclave 2022, one of the largest residential conference is happening in Bangalore for stock market traders and investors. For the first time in history, about 100 trainers and mentors across India are joining us. Okay, you will have the biggest opportunity to meet all those mentors, talk to them, collaborate with them, discuss with them, get inspired by them. The prices have been kept very low. For more details, log into the website tradersconclave.com and there will be some amazing sessions. Also, we are coming out with a brilliant event called Gurukul Premier League. So, the first of its kind knowledge competition for all retail traders, and we are going to identify the top 10 superstars in that event. Don't miss it. I look forward to see you in Traders Conclave. Thank you very much.
Are you tired of stock market losses? Tired of hundreds of boring indicators and the frequent drawdowns? Do you want to understand how to trade markets without indicators? How institutions cheating the retail traders and how to make fair and consistent trading methods? The answer is IT3T Mega Webinar, India's most comprehensive and 100% money back guarantee training program for stock market investing and trading. And what do you learn from this webinar? Techno fundamental investing, WD GAN techniques, precision price action trading, the option trading strategies, algo trading, and also trading psychologies. So it is a package of 200 world-class investing and trading books jam-packed into the 12 days of webinar. And what you can expect from IT3T: genuine training program with examples and assignments, no indicators, real-life examples, proven and reliable methods. And what you shouldn't be expecting is holy grail formulas, zero loss strategies, 90% win rate stories, get quick rich Ponzi schemes. And we also have students across the globe. The three things IT3T always promises is 100% money back guarantee program, 100% brokerage credit, 100% lifetime learning. But that's not it. We have an early bird offer for you at just 35,000 rupees for first 25 students. So how do you enroll the IT3T program? Simple. Just log on to www.i3t3.in or contact our webinar manager